Right, this is me via Andy's shed. This will be a fake. I know it's fake. I'm not fucking stupid this time. It's always fake alarms in this building. 10th time in a row this has happened. Yeah, most of the door handle. It's gonna be a false alarm again. This will prove to Andy's shed this is a false alarm. I'm going down the elevator, I don't care. I'm going to tell her I know it's the speaker. Sorry. This way. Hang on, this way. It's on stage 1. Needs to be disabled. We're going to bring out the housing also about this. I'm filming, Mum, by the way. This will prove to Andy's shed. This is what happens every time. But this time, this weekend did something. It's on Monday. Just be after the weekend. I bet it's a sprinkler activation again. This happens every frigging time in this flat. Fire engines, they're coming now. The Melbourne Metropolitan Fire Brigade. But this is for a false alarm. This is false, not real. Oh, it's toddlers playing with the fire alarm again. Because last week, this is true, a toddler pressed the call button on the ground floor and set the alarms off. What? It's probably a toddler. The bell ain't sounding. So it's not the sprinkler system. It's not. It's not. There's the fire engines. This is all for false alarms. The fire brigade's arriving, but it's not going to be a real alarm. This is about an hour after watching Andy's shed live. This happens. There's the second truck. It's another false alarm. It's a false alarm.
You don't know if it is this time.
It is.
You don't know if anyone's sprinkling it.
No, it's not a sprinkling toe.
How do you know?
There's a bell on the ground floor. Last time, guys, when I was out here, the alarm was real because those bells were sounding. The bells are not sounding. That tells it's not. The sprinkler ain't. The sprinklers are not, guys. It's a false alarm again.
You don't know. It doesn't have to be a sprinkler.
Done the window again. The window's been opened up there, so I'll have to close it again. Oh, the pigeons, they come in. I'm going to the foyer. I'm going in the foyer. Oh, it's up there. It's up there. It's up there again. I think it's the right sort of a thing. I'll check it anyway while I'm down here.